Welcome back to my channel friends. I am Sahil Sawant and in today's video we will understand kinetic theory of gases. A small chapter but the one that gives direct marks in our examinations. Kinetic theory explains gases from a microscopic point of view. Instead of pressure and temperature, we study molecules and their motion and their energies as well. If you understand this chapter conceptually, numericals become formula based and easy as well. Let's start with the ideal gas equation. We all know about the equation or the formula that we write as PV equals to nRT. Here the physics behind it is pressure comes from molecular collisions, volume tells us how much space molecules have, and temperature measures the average kinetic energy of those molecules. Now, to be noted from exam point of view is that temperature is not related to the speed of molecules directly. It is related to the average kinetic energy of each and every molecules combined. Now comes a very scoring concept, that is the degree of freedom. Degree of freedom means number of independent ways a molecule can have to store energy. For a monoatomic gas like helium, only translational motion, that is 3 degrees of freedom, is possible. For a diatomic gas at room temperature, 3 translational and 2 rotational motions, that is 5 degrees of freedoms, are possible. Vibration modes activate only at higher temperatures, and that is to be noted for exam purposes only. According to the law of equipartition of energy, each degree of freedom contributes to half kT energy per molecule. So total energy of per molecule becomes E equals to F upon 2 multiplied by kT, where F is the total degrees of freedom experienced by that particular molecule. This single formula explains internal energy, molar heat capacity and temperature dependence of that molecule. And the examination loves asking direct numericals from this particular concept. So below is a JEE type of question that is put on the screen. Pause the video, solve it and comment your answer below. I will reply with the correct one. If this video was helpful for you, like the video, share it with your friends and follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for full length explanations. Adios and see you in the next one.